That's a storm surge warning.
A storm surge watch has been upgraded to a storm surge warning, and a hurricane watch and tropical storm warning are both in effect for the following counties: coastal Brunswick, North Carolina, and the following counties in South Carolina: coastal Georgetown and coastal Orange.
Storm surge warning. Storm surge watch, maybe?
The coastal waters forecast for the North Carolina has issued a flood warning for the Cape Fear at William O. House Lock and Dam 3 from Wednesday evening to Saturday morning. At 9 a.m. Monday, the stage was 34.44 feet. Flood stage is 42.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast: rise above flood stage by late Wednesday evening and continue to rise to near 43.7 feet by Thursday evening. The river will fall below flood stage by Friday evening. Impact: at 45.0 feet, flood waters will affect areas along the left bank of the river with some minor overflow along the right bank. Has issued tornado watch number 413, effective until 2 a.m. Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Bladen, Brunswick, Columbus, New Hanover, and Pender, and the following: coastal waters from Surf City to Cape Fear, North Carolina, out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Cape Fear, North Carolina to Little River Inlet, South Carolina, out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Oak Island, Ocean Crest Pier, St. James, and Long Beach around 7:55 p.m. Brunswick County Community College main campus and Supply around 8:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Bolivia, Varnamtown, Brunswick Novant Medical Center, and Dosher Memorial Hospital. This includes U.S. Route 17 in Brunswick County between mile markers 19 and 40. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Here are capable of producing a tornado is located near Pireway, or 7 miles north of Little River, moving northwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Longs around 8:10 p.m. Bug Hill around 8:15 p.m. Dula around 8:20 p.m. Loris, Bethel, Goretown, and Molly around 8:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Loris Community Hospital. This includes U.S. Route 17 in Brunswick County between mile markers 1 and 5. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Town and Mali around 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Loris Community Hospital. This includes U.S. Route 17 in Brunswick County between
One more time!
Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now.
Sorry,
Move
it's a
to
bad
basement
joke.
Or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Capable of producing a tornado was located near Boiling Spring Lakes, or near Oak Island, moving northwest at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Mill Creek around 8:15 p.m. Brunswick County Community College main campus, Winnebago, Town Creek, and Bishop around 8:20 p.m. Beta Aurora around 8:30 p.m. Honey Island around 8:35 p.m.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Mill Creek around 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Brunswick County Community College main campus, Winnebago, Town Creek, and Bishop around 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Beta Aurora around 8:30.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The tornado warning for Eastern Brunswick County will expire at 8:15 p.m. The tornado warning that was previously has been reissued for Brunswick County and is in effect until 8:45 p.m. Watch has been upgraded to a storm surge warning, and a tropical storm warning remains in the counties. Milford, East Carteret, Mainland Hyde, Northern Outer Banks, Pamlico, and Southern Craven. And a tropical storm warning.
That's an SSA. Good job.
The entire house is shut.
Over there. The second one. So if you lose power, they have to get your money back.
Oh, really?
Yeah, on an hour. 3 things require parental are power, running water, sewage.
Somehow still working. Yep, sparks coming. Oh, it's still sparking. Still sparking. Time. Or you're pulling a Sterling.
This is NOAA's National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station, KEC 95 public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, session will receive visit weather.gov. Showers and thunderstorms. This is NOAA Weather Review. KEC 84, transmitting on a frequency of 162.400 megahertz from NOAA's National Weather Service office in Newport, North Carolina. The transmitter facility warnings for the following information can also be found on the weather.gov/Newport. For the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico, the Normal Protein Center has issued the last advisory on post-tropical cyclone Isaias, located.
There goes this one.
This is a test of the NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Warning Device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of impending hazards. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of, or there is severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. Receptions of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. Alarms generated from station KIG 77 in Cape Hatteras will be activated for warnings and watches affecting the counties of Hyde, Tyrrell, Dare, and Washington. Alarms generated from station WWH 26 in Mamie will be activated for the counties of Pasquotank, Camden, Currituck, Tyrrell, and the northern portions of Dare. Alarms generated from station KEC 84 in New Bern will be activated for the counties of Beaufort, Carteret, Craven, Duplin, Greene, Jones, Lenore, Martin, Onslow, Pamlico, Pitt, and Hyde. Alarms generated from station KXI 95 in Warsaw will be activated for the counties of Wayne, Bladen, Sampson, Jones, Onslow, Pender, Duplin, and Lenore.
Good morning.
They'll approach from the north and east.
Going on for 2 hours and guess who's back? It's the drugs. What?
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland. Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland until 6:45 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Mason Neck State Park, moving southeast at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Indian Head, Occoquan Bay, Gunston Hall, Mason Neck State Park, Smallwood State Park, and Fort Hunt.
Oh,
Move to
no
safe
nice
harbor
bridge.
until hazardous weather passes.